we're going to walk you through our two-step cleaning and disinfection process. Everything comes in our kit and we begin by mixing our concentrate with water. This is done in the ratio of 1 part LGS Germkil to 10 parts water, and once thoroughly mixed you can begin to clean and disinfect all hard surfaces. LGS Germkil is an advanced biodegradable water-based organic solution incorporating citric oil D-limonene, which is 100% natural and safe for use on all porous and non-porous surfaces. As you can see from the video, you should clean all surfaces thoroughly, especially those that are likely to be touched by anyone during normal day-to-day use. As you clean, LGS Germkil leaves an antimicrobial nanolayer, keeping the treated area free from harmful pathogens for up to 7 days. In simple terms, as you clean, you also protect. The initial cleaning is important in the disinfection process, but it's also important in preparing for step 2, which is a fogging application designed to ensure that all surfaces get treated. We recommend running the air conditioning system and setting it to recirculate whilst fogging takes place, as this ensures that the LGS Germkil coats the whole system. And don't forget to fog the luggage compartment or boot as well as the passenger area. And that's it. Simply repeat this process every 7 days for